J6707.01, James Hardy, New Zealand Limited, NFPA 285 test.